Within this tiny black shell lies the blueprint of a summer giant, waiting for the perfect touch of warmth.
These first leaves are the plant's power plant, fueling the rapid expansion of the vines to come.
The watermelon is a natural traveler, spreading its vines far and wide to capture every available ray of sun. These spiral tendrils are the plant's anchors, securing the vines against the powerful summer winds.
The appearance of the yellow blossoms marks the beginning of the reproductive phase.
Pollination is the critical handshake of nature. Without the bees, the green treasures would never form.
Success. The ovary is fertilized, and the tiny green marble begins its journey to become a giant.
Watermelons are over 92% water. The plant must now pump gallons of liquid from the deep roots to the fruit.
As the fruit gains weight, it creates its own belly, the ground spot where it rests against the earth.
The rind is a masterpiece of biological engineering, protecting the sweet interior from the scorching sun. Nature has its own indicators. A yellow belly and a dried tendril are the signals of peak maturity.
Pure hydration, crafted by the soil and the sun. This is the ultimate summer reward.
The green vine looks slightly weathered but remains strong, having fulfilled its 90-day mission. Every watermelon in the field is now at its peak state, heavy, vibrant, and full of sweet juice.
The genesis of the summer giant is complete. Experience the power of life.
Join us for the next chapter on Harvest Motion.